Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. Today I'll share some new updates and details on MCU's current projects and upcoming projects in this video. I'll share some updates about MCU series like WandaVision and Falcon and the Winter Soldier in this video. And in the end, I'll share some details on WandaVision runtime. So watch this video till the end. But before we start this video, let me tell you guys, this video is available in 3 different languages: English, Hindi and Marathi. The other 2 video links are mentioned in the description below, so if you want then you can check it out, or just you can visit MDCZ channel playlist section. I categorized all the videos according to the language and content type. It will be very effortless for you to watch channel content in your preferred language. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. First, let's talk about Marvel Studios' upcoming Disney Plus series, Assembled. Marvel Studios recently announced a new documentary series, Assembled. In this series, they are going to show us some behind the scenes of MCU series and movies. The first episode will be based on WandaVision series, and it's going to be on air on 12th March after the season finale of WandaVision series. A new exciting sneak peek for upcoming WandaVision episode 7 will be released before the episode comes out. It's definitely gonna be exciting scene from WandaVision series. Recently, a new proof has been revealed that shows Agnes is in full control of Wanda. I'm gonna include that proof here, so please observe it carefully. Disney Plus has announced few more upcoming episodes for Marvel's Legends series. These episodes will be focused on the characters of Falcon and the Winter Soldier series. These episodes will be based on Anthony Mackie's Falcon, Sebastian Stan's Winter Soldier, Daniel Bruhl's Zemo, and Emily Van Camp's Sharon Carter. There's no official release date now, but these new episodes will most probably be coming out on 12th March, 1 week before the Falcon and the Winter Soldier release. Now let's talk about the WandaVision runtime. Before the release of WandaVision, Kevin Feige revealed the total runtime for WandaVision series. He told us that runtime of WandaVision is 6 hours long. Until now, Disney Plus has released 6 episodes of WandaVision. Episode 1 was 30 minutes, Episode 2 was 37 minutes, Episode 3 was 33 minutes, Episode 4 was 35 minutes, Episode 5 was 42 minutes, and Episode 6 was 38 minutes long. If you calculate, it covers about only 3.5 hours of runtime from total 6 hours. Now, the remaining runtime is 145 minutes. Only 3 episodes of WandaVision are remaining. Even if we distribute it equally, all upcoming 3 episodes will be an average of 48 to 50 minutes long. According to the recent leak on Reddit, it states that the next episode of WandaVision will be 38 minutes long. If this turns out to be true, then the last 2 episodes will be a 1 hour long each. This is the breakdown, which is based on runtime, which includes credits also, but if we consider content, then we might see a 1 hour long episodes from now. At least final episode will be 1 hour or 1.5 hour long. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you love this video, hit the like button and share it with all MCU fans. If you don't want to miss out on such Marvel and DC Universe related daily videos, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.